Okay, this video is about how to change the boot order from UEFI to legacy or CSM boot. So if you already have Windows running, there are two ways to go into BIOS. One way is while holding the shift button on the keyboard, press the power and then click on restart. And the computer will now restart and we'll go into a recovery. Maybe it didn't work. Alright, it didn't work. I'll try again. So the first method is if you have Windows 10 already working. Okay, so again, start, power button, hold the shift key and click on restart. There we go. Choose an option, go into troubleshoot and advanced options and UEFI firmware settings. And click on restart, which will take you into the BIOS. This is one method. And I'll show you the other method. You may have a non-working Windows 10, for example, or another operating system. So I'm going to turn off the computer. It's off. Now this is the second method. Press the power button and keep tapping the enter key. Okay, launching the startup menu. And here you can press which one? F1 to go into the BIOS. As before. Same. Now I'll show you how you can change the boot order. Let's have a look. All right. Secure boot needs to be disabled. That's the first step. Escape to go back. And on the startup, here, UEFI legacy boot. I'm going to choose legacy only for now, but later on, once I convert MBR to GPT, I'm going to bring it back to UEFI. So for now, legacy only, and CSM support is enabled. And also, this is a good option to have enabled if it's not already enabled, which is F12. It helps you go into the boot menu. Press F10 on the keyboard and press yes to confirm. And that will be it. So I'm going to power off the computer now. And I'm going to put in the 512 gig SSD that I've got with Windows 7 on. Power off. All right, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.